Welcome back to JF Commerce, your ultimate source for all things digital marketing, technology, and business growth. Today, we're diving into a powerful psychological principle that can supercharge your advertising efforts: social proof. You've seen it in action. Testimonials, reviews, star ratings, influencer endorsements, they're everywhere. But why do they work so well? And how can you use social proof to build trust, boost credibility, and drive sales? Stick around as we explore the role of social proof in advertising and how it can transform your marketing strategy. Section 1, what is social proof? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is social proof? In essence, social proof is the idea that people tend to follow the actions and opinions of others, especially when they're uncertain about a decision. It's a psychological phenomenon where we look to the behavior of others as a guide for our own. Example: imagine you're walking down a street and see two restaurants. One has a line out the door and the other is completely empty. Which one would you choose? Most likely the busy one. Why? Because the crowd is a form of social proof. It signals that the busy restaurant is better. In advertising, social proof works the same way. When potential customers see others endorsing or using a product, it builds trust and reduces hesitation. It's a way of saying, if others like this, you probably will too. Section 2. Types of social proof in advertising. Now that we understand what social proof is, let's dive into the different types of social proof you can use in your advertising. 1. Testimonials and reviews. Testimonials and reviews are among the most common forms of social proof. They showcase real opinions from customers who've used your product or service, giving potential buyers confidence in their decision. 2. Star ratings. Star ratings are a quick, visual way to convey customer satisfaction. Whether it's a 5-star review on Google, Yelp, or TripAdvisor, these ratings make a big impact. 3. Influencer endorsements. In the digital age, influencers are one of the most impactful forms of social proof. When someone with a large following endorses your product, it lends credibility and expands your reach. 4. User-generated content, UGC. User-generated content is social proof that's created by your customers. This could be photos, videos, or posts shared on social media featuring your product. 5. Case studies and success stories. Case studies are an excellent way to showcase real-world results. By detailing how your product or service solved a specific problem, you can demonstrate its value in a compelling way. Section 3. Why social proof works. Why does social proof work so well in advertising? Let's explore the psychological principles behind it. 1. Reducing risk. One of the biggest barriers to purchase is uncertainty. Social proof reduces this risk by showing that others have already tried your product and found it valuable. It creates a sense of safety in following the crowd. 1. Example: a clothing brand featuring photos of real customers wearing their outfits reassures buyers that the products look good in real life. 2. Creating FOMO, fear of missing out. Social proof taps into our fear of missing out. When we see others benefiting from a product, we don't want to feel left behind. 1. Example: limited time offers that highlight how many people have purchased the product, such as 50 people are viewing this item, create urgency and encourage action. 3. Leveraging authority. When social proof comes from an authority figure or influencer, it carries even more weight. This is because we trust people who are perceived as experts in their field. 1. Example: a skincare brand endorsed by a dermatologist builds trust through the perceived authority of the endorsement. 4. Building trust. Social proof builds trust by showing that your product has delivered on its promises for others. This is especially important for new customers who may not be familiar with your brand. 1. Example: new startups often feature customer testimonials prominently on their homepages to build credibility quickly. Section 4. How to incorporate social proof into your marketing. Here's how you can effectively incorporate social proof into your advertising strategy. 1. Highlight social proof in ads. Use testimonials, star ratings, or user-generated content directly in your ad creatives. Social proof makes your ads more relatable and persuasive. 1. Example: a Facebook ad for a fitness app featuring a testimonial like, "This app helped me lose 10 pounds in 3 months," is far more compelling than an ad with just a product description. 2. Showcase social proof on landing pages. Your website's landing pages are a prime spot for social proof. Include reviews, ratings, and customer photos near your call to action to boost conversions. Tip: use trust badges such as rated #1 in customer satisfaction or over 1,000 five-star reviews to instill confidence. 3. Leverage email marketing. Use email campaigns to highlight positive reviews, success stories, or user-generated content. Social proof can help re-engage past customers and attract new ones. Example: "See why 10,000 people love our product" is a great subject line to grab attention. 4. Encourage sharing. Actively encourage your customers to share their experiences with your brand. Reward them with discounts, shout-outs, or giveaways to incentivize participation. 1. Tip: create branded hashtags and run social media contests to generate user-generated content. Section 5. Ethical considerations. While social proof is incredibly effective, it's important to use it ethically. Misleading or fake testimonials can damage your reputation and erode trust. Tip: always ensure your reviews and testimonials are authentic. If you're working with influencers, require them to disclose sponsorships clearly. In conclusion, social proof is a powerful tool that can build trust, enhance credibility, and drive sales in your advertising campaigns. Whether you're using testimonials, reviews, influencer endorsements, or user-generated content, social proof leverages the psychology of human behavior to make your brand more appealing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insights into digital marketing and business strategy. Thanks for watching, and remember, when in doubt, let your customers do the talking.